Welcome. In this video I'm going to be changing out the windshield wipers on this 2006 Honda Odyssey, and I'll be installing this Autoboo wiper blade set. And if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase some of these, I'll put a link to them in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this is probably more of a budget wiper option. As it says here, it says OEM equipment replacement. It says it's fit for Honda Odyssey 2005 to 2019. This comes with a 26, 22, those are for the front, and a 16 for the rear. So let's get this open. So here we have the three blades. It comes with instructions. A couple important things. It says please remove oil, grit, and bird droppings from the windshield before using. So I've just cleaned the windshield. I don't know that it's perfectly clean, but I pressure washed it. And then you want to remove the green protective covering. It also says they'll work best 3 days after installation, so they probably will kind of form your windshield. So let's get these installed. On the old blade, we're going to have this little clip right here. I'm going to push this in and pull down. Now I'm going to match up the old blade with the new blade of the correct size. That will be the 26-inch blade. So we want to pop open this cover, like so. And then we're going to slide this into the J-hook. So we'll set the J-hook in that slot. And then I'll move towards the crook of the J-hook. And then I'll clip this down. And now we're installed. So that's tight. Finally, I'll remove the protective plastic. And the driver's side wiper is done. So I'll put that down. I'll do the same on the passenger side. And earlier I said you want to press that tab down. You actually want to push it up. This is the piece here. So you want to push it this way. So now I can put the new wiper on. There we go. Now let's head to the rear. Okay, here we're at the rear. So I'll pull this up. And this one's pretty easy. You just take the blade, we'll hold on either side and we'll rotate it away from the car and pull it off. We'll put the new blade in the same orientation. We'll slide it over. This will fit in the slot. It will fit in the first slot. And then we'll rotate it in like that. And it's ready to go. I do have a confession to make. I just got this vehicle and this wiper doesn't work, but it does have a new blade on it, so hopefully I'll get it fixed soon and we can use it. So that's replacing the windshield wipers on this 2006 Honda Odyssey. I like this Autoboo kit since it comes with all three blades. I think most people will be able to replace these themselves. And as it said in the instructions, you do want to make sure you clean the windshield so you can have a fresh surface for the new blades to go against. You don't want to transfer extra dirt to the blades, even though they'll get dirty eventually. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.